Okay guys, today I want to take you through the actual competition piece. Now you've gone through, you've designed a car, and we're ready to race it and test it, see how it does. First and most important thing, make sure that this folder down here is green. Okay, you see mine is green and it says Demo 2. That's because I've saved my file. You're going to come over here to File, and then you would hit Save, and you're going to save this and enter the competition. And give it a particular name. So make sure you've done that before we can actually race. We need to get that completed. Otherwise, it will not be eligible for competition. Okay, so you'll click on the competition tab, and it's going to bring you to the race venue itself. And this is what you'll see out here. You may see, depending when you do this, you might see a series of designs here from the classroom. You will see that I have already raced these cars once, and as a result, one of my cars is a qualifier, meaning it made the top 10 in the class, and the other car that I raced is out of spec. Well, I'm going to race them again so you can see how that works. So my out of spec vehicle was called Too Short, and it's down here on this list. So it's going to be contender 1 in the race. And then I'll click over here on qualifiers, and Demo 2 is my legal car. It was my second design, and I'm going to make it contender number 2 in my race here. If you know the names of your designs, you can always search for them here. If you go to the classroom list, you'll get everybody's cars within the classroom, those that are qualifiers and those outer specs. The staged cars are cars that haven't been raced, and I believe the staged is a place where designs go that have not made the top 10 qualification, and they stay in that staged range over there. I'm not certain of that. Anyways, you'll find your car designs in one of these 3 boxes up here, and you have to select on them to be contenders for your race. So you see I have contender 1 is Too Short, and contender 2 is Demo 2. So with your designs chosen, all you have to do is hit start. We'll do that, and we'll run our race here. So we're looking at racetrack cameras over here. Here's our race. This is my legal cars here. All right, and the winner is Demo 2. Demo 2, the green car, is my legal car. You see these results over here in Demo 2's performance. Okay, important to note, there's not a big time difference between the two of these. Demo 2 took 0.9557 seconds to do its race, and my Too Short illegal car took 1.0432 seconds. So it's a pretty close race, and that's pretty similar to the results that we're seeing on the cars that we actually build and race in the hallway. I've always told kids, if you can get a car that is under 1.2 seconds, you've built a pretty fast race car. If you get a car under 1 second, you do have an exceptional car in terms of its performance. So your goal there is try to be at the 1.2 second mark or faster. That's an ideal place to be. And really, you're pretty fast if you're 1.5 and below. But 1.2 or better is fast, and you're really elite if you can get under a second. So see if you can beat 0.9557 seconds. This is only my second design iteration. Notice that the mass between these two cars, this one is significantly closer to the 30 gram limit that we have set. So the closer you can get to 30 grams, I guarantee the faster you're going to see your car go. There's only a 4 gram difference between these two cars, and that wasn't the only change I made, but that was a key change I made. And this car is a little bit longer than this car was here. I will compare those designs in another video so you can understand what you can do to make your car better. I highly recommend that you click the What Next button down here and read through suggestions in terms of how you can go about making changes. So we'll go back through this in another video. Good luck.